Once you logged into Salesforce Marketing Cloud portal, locate the Setup page. You can find this option under the user profile icon located at the top right corner of the application interface. Within the Setup page, go to Installed Packages. You can find this option under Platform Tools by navigating to Apps and then selecting Installed Packages. To set up the integration with Gupshup WhatsApp, you will need to create a new package. To do this, click on the New button located at the top right corner of the Installed Packages page. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to provide the name and description. Give the package an appropriate name, such as Gupshup WhatsApp Integration, and provide description. Click the Save button to confirm the creation of the new package. After creating the new package, the next step is to add a component that will configure the Gupshup integration. To do this, click on the Add Component button within the newly created package. When adding a new component, you need to specify the component type. For the Gupshup WhatsApp integration, select Component Type as Journey Builder Activity. After selecting the component type, you will need to configure the properties of the Journey Builder activity. Select Messages from the Category drop-down menu and then Endpoint URL of Gupshup app. This URL is essential for connecting Salesforce Marketing Cloud to your Gupshup WhatsApp service. Ensure that you enter the complete and correct URL. Once you have filled in these details, your Journey Builder activity is configured to work with the Gupshup WhatsApp messaging. Save the activity settings.